The AIADMK's 3-month-long Yatra has concluded after covering every assembly constituency in Tamil Nadu. The campaign led by Edappadi K. Palaniswamy focused on direct outreach and policy announcements ahead of the 2026 elections. Here's a report.
The AIADMK's Makkale Kaapom, Tamilagatte Meepom Yatra, meaning Let's Protect the People, Let's Save Tamil Nadu, has wrapped up its scheduled phases after more than 3 months on the road. Launched on July 7, 2025, from a suburb of Coimbatore, the campaign traversed all 234 assembly constituencies across 38 districts, covering over 12,000 kilometers in 5 phases and drawing estimated crowds of 20,000 to 30,000 at more than 175 public meetings and rallies. Throughout the Yatra, led by AIADMK General Secretary and Leader of the Opposition, Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, the events featured direct interactions with diverse groups, including farmers in the Delta and Western regions, textile and leather workers, tea plantation labourers, women from self-help groups, youth and small traders. Participants raised concerns on topics such as employment, crop procurement and insurance, power supply reliability, industrial growth and housing access. Palaniswamy highlighted several policy proposals during the rallies, including a youth-first employment mission aiming to generate 10 lakh jobs via industrial and service sector expansion, farm gate procurement, enhanced crop insurance and minimum support price protection for paddy, sugarcane and cotton. Revival of Amma self-help groups with boosted microfinance and monthly aid for women-headed households, plus reinstatement of the Amma marriage gift scheme offering Kanchipuram silk sarees and Veshtis, restoration of 24-hour power supply, tariff reductions and accelerated industrial corridors, and many more. With the Yatra now concluded, the AIADMK has positioned it as a key effort to rebuild grassroots ties and outline priorities for the 2026 Assembly elections.
நலன் காக்கும் ஸ்டாலின் அவர் உடம்பு பார்க்கட்டும். அவரே உடம்பு சரியில்லை போய் மருத்துவமனையில் இருக்கார். நலன் காக்கும் ஸ்டாலின் எப்போ 4 வருஷம் கழிச்சு இன்னொரு 8 மாசம் தான் இருக்கு தேர்தலுக்கு முன்பு. இப்போதான் அவருக்கு நாணவதை வந்திருக்குது. மக்களுக்கு உடல்நிலை சரியில்லை வைத்தியம் பண்ணலான்னு. இதெல்லாம் ஏற்கனவே அனைத்து இந்திய அண்ணா திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழக அரசு இருக்கின்ற பொழுது லட்சக்கணக்கான மருத்துவ முகாம் நடத்தி மக்களுக்கு தேவையான சிகிச்சை அளித்த அரசாங்கம் அதிமுக அரசாங்கம்.